again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best dethatching rakes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Number 10. Artificial Turf Garden Carpet Rake. This garden rake comes with an adjustable telescoping handle that extends from 48.5 inch up to 63, which makes it could pierce into any kind of soil and serve to dig, loosen soil efficiently. Easy cleaning starts with this turf rake. Make turf, yard, and leaf cleanup fun and easy with this leaf turf rake. This yard tool lets you rake up big bunches of leaves, twigs, and other debris in one big pile. Brush head protects the turf with its plastic material that is soft yet strong enough. Grip handle make it comfortable to use, and sturdy handle assures durability. Easy to storage when not in use by reducing the handle length and hand it up to save space. Additionally, adjustable telescoping handle extends from 48.5 inch up to 63. Easy cleaning starts with this turf rake. The brush head protects the turf with its plastic material that is soft yet strong enough. The grip handle makes it comfortable to use, and the sturdy handle assures durability. This rake is extendable up to 63 inch, so you won't bend your back. The long handle will also allow you to reach every corner and spot, so you can keep your space spotless. Number 9. The Lobos Garden Leaf Rake Adjustable Lightweight Telescopic Metal Rake. Our products are made of high-quality stainless steel, only 1.8 pounds, which is anti-rust and not easy to bend or break. The 0.76-inch diameter stainless steel handle makes the steel tines more stable. The black handle at the bottom of the rake is made of high-strength and good tenacity plastic and has a comfortable non-slip design. The well-designed smooth spherical rake tip will not damage grass roots or plants during use. The adjustability of rake head makes for easy storage, which can easily be stored on a shelf or in a corner. Long handle garden leaf rake, which could less bending down and less fatigue during long time work. Please noted that this tool is not meant for cement or heavy duty debris. Designed with expandable 7.5 inch -20 width fan folding head, which can be locked in any position in between. Wide head great for you to quickly clean leaves, small debris off lawns. 7.5 inch width suitable for tight areas like under hedges or between flower beds. Number 8. Jardiner 73 inch Garden Rake Leaf Adjustable Lawn Rake. This ideal rake easily rakes up clippings, leaves, and loose lawn and garden debris without damaging plants. Adjust leaf rake width to 10 inch for tight areas like under hedges or between flower beds without concern. Note that the lawn rake is not designed for heavy-duty use such as rock or heavy materials. Smooth aluminum handle helps easy adjustment of garden rake head in seconds and makes long-time gardening an enjoyable experience. The tight lock switch keeps garden rake head fixed in any width. Adjust yard rake head width. One rake will do all the jobs both in tight and wide spaces. .18 steel tines are made thicker for the lawn rake to bear more debris strongly and stably, collect leaves more efficiently. Top-class metal construction makes this leaf rake for lawns last for years. Jardiner is devoted to providing reliable and efficient product. Customer satisfaction and service quality are the basic criteria of Jardiner. If you have any question about the leaf rake for lawns, please trust us and contact us. We are always available to help. Number 7. Brindley Hardy 40 inch toe-behind dethatcher. With its broad width and adjustability, this toe-behind lawn dethatcher is an ideal option for those who have a riding lawn mower. The dethatcher hitches to the back of the mower and rolls on 2 wheels, pulling 20 thatch tines across the yard. A tray on top of the dethatcher holds concrete blocks, adding necessary weight to drive the tines into deep thatch. There's also a long bar that allows the operator to adjust the height of the tines so they bite into thatch without disturbing the soil below. A simple hitch attaches or detaches quickly to most brands of riding mower. And, at 40 inches wide, this detacher is ideal for large yards. Just keep in mind that once pulled up, the thatch will still need to be collected either by raking it up or with a mower and bagger. Number 6. Adjustable Garden Leaf Rake, Telescopic Metal Rake. The telescopic handle of the metal rake extends up to 68-inch long, which reduces back bending and fatigue. It is much better than leaf scooper and more durable than plastic rake. Suitable for both young men and the elderly, the gardening rake head can expand from 8 to 27 inches in width, which can collect more debris with each pass efficiently. You can adjust the garden rake head to any width easily by turning the tight lock in seconds. This garden leaf rake tool will allow you to quickly clean leaves, grass clippings, and small debris off your lawn without damaging plants. Perfect for working under hedges, flower beds, chicken coops, narrow areas, etc. Is your lawn often covered by leaves? With our leaf rake, you will have a clean and tidy yard in a few minutes. Your garden maintenance will be a breeze. The adjustable rake head can fold to a tight profile, small and lightweight, taking up very little storage space. Can be easily put in the trunk of the car when camping out, a must-have tool for home and travel. Number 5. The Groundskeeper 2 Full-Size Rake. Many manual dethatching rakes can weigh upward of 5 pounds with their hardwood handles and steel heads, making them tougher to use, especially for larger jobs. This rake from Groundskeeper is a lightweight option that's still effective at removing thatch. It weighs just 2 pounds, but includes 28 thin steel tines that are curved to bite into dead grass and pull it loose from the soil. Rather than a heavy hardwood handle, it comes equipped with a lightweight fiberglass handle that is 55 inches long, allowing the user to stand more upright while using it. In addition to being easier to use, it's also more versatile. In addition to removing thatch, it's also an effective tool for raking up sticks, bark, twigs, and other yard waste. Number 4. Some More 9 Strong Tines Gardening Leaf Rake. The tool has an appropriate weight, neither too light or too heavy. The handle is comfortable and not too big for a small/medium-sized hand. I hope it will be though enough for my needs, as I have lots of roots and stones to unearth. The product itself is not marked as manufacturing location. The company, Shanghai Worth Garden Products Company, Limited, was established in 2000 with headquarters in Shanghai, China. Its largest manufacturing facility is in Shanghai. Distribution points in US, Los Angeles, and Germany. The quality of the product and finish are very good. It is a simple clean-out tool for under shrubs and other plants. Number 3. Tabor Tools J205A Level Head Rake. A must-have garden tool for raking up clippings, leaves, and other light debris. Perfect for loosening or breaking up compacted soil, spreading mulch or other material evenly, and leveling areas before planting. Use this rake to level soil, break up clumps of soil, and spread topsoil, compost, or gravel. The lightweight fiberglass handle with an anti-slip vinyl sleeve grip is comfortable to use. The handle is lacquered for weather resistance, and because of the noticeable red color, the tool is easy to spot in the green grass. A long handle supplies more leverage and allows you to work in a more upright position. As a result, a long-handled rake is usually a better choice if you need to work longer hours. The red handle has been manufactured from light fiberglass. The long-handled 14-tine garden rake is ideal for raking and clearing soils, leaves, stones, and other garden fillings. Nice sturdy rake for heavy-duty jobs like moving around compost, pulling down extra vines, removing old grass, inches of dirt, or pushing gravel around. Number 2. BiPlus Adjustable Garden Leaf Rake 24 to 63-inch Telescopic Metal Rake. BiPlus Garden Leaf Rake is quite lightweight for both young man and elder people, easily rakes up clippings, leaves, loose lawn and garden debris without damaging plants. Perfect for working under hedges and flower beds and hard-to-reach roof without concern. BiPlus Adjustable Rakes for Leaves extends from 24 to 63 inches for all your raking needs. Longer than most telescopic rakes in the market, less bending down or fatigue during long-time work. You can have a comfortable experience when doing yard work, totally save your efforts and your back. Besides, it takes little room to storage. Bi-Plus adjustable rakes for gardening head expands from 8 to 23 inches width. This rake is designed to go in smaller areas that are difficult for conventional rakes. You can adjust the rake head size to the size you need it with the tight lock switch in seconds. Bi-Plus leaf rake is made of long-lasting aluminum alloy, strong and durable. Zinc-plated steel handle and rake head prevent rust. Please notice that it is not designed to be a heavy-duty rake for rocks and heavy materials. With Bi-Plus telescoping rake, your garden maintenance will be a breeze. Number 1. Ames 15-inch adjustable thatch rake. The smart design and sturdy construction of this adjustable thatch rake make it a great option for those with small to medium-sized yards. While this rake looks similar to other manual dethatching tools, features on the head and tines set it apart from the rest. The formidable-looking curved tines taper to sharp points, which makes them well-suited for pulling up thatch without damaging the lawn. The 15-inch wide head of the rake is adjustable, allowing the user to create the necessary angle to remove dead grass gently or switch to a more aggressive pitch for pulling out weeds and breaking up earth. The rake is also durable and easy on the hands thanks to a hardwood handle that's fitted with a cushioned grip at the end.